Namaskar bachas, welcoming you all in New Era Global Online School Teaching. I hope you all are having a healthy day. Now, today's video we will discuss section number 2, that is short answer questions and long answer questions. I hope you all have done previous videos homework, that was to complete textual exercise in your textbook. Now let's discuss the short answer questions. So the first one is name two natural things. Name two natural things. Take out page number 86. What is written here? Natural things can be either living और नॉन लिविंग. सो हम एक एग्जाम्पल लिविंग का लिखेंगे और एक नॉन लिविंग का लिखेंगे, क्योंकि हमें किसका एग्जाम्पल लिखने को बोला है? नेचुरल थिंग्स का. सो वी विल राइट वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लिविंग एंड वन ऑफ नॉन लिविंग. यू कैन राइट plants and water. So write it down here. Plants and water are two natural things. Plants and water are two natural things. Second, what are man-made things? Name one. What are man-made things? Name one. So students, this answer we will find in page number 86. So take out page number 86. Right here in the topic of man-made things, the non-living thing that are not found naturally but are made by man are called man-made things. You can write any one of the example such as books, chairs, pencils, house, which you feel it is easy to remind. But I will suggest to write books. So this is your answer number 2. Third one, name any 3 things that are made from rubber. We have to write any 3 things that are made from rubber. So we can write balloon, then eraser, and tire. Those are the 3 things that are made from rubber. Name any 3 things that are made from plastic. Yani we have to write any 3 things that we get from plastic. What are they? Bag, bottle, and comb. Bag, bottle and comb. We get bag, bottle and comb from bag, bottle and comb are 3 things that are made from plastic. Bag, bottle and comb are things that are made from plastic. Will form the answer as of. And for the third one also, balloon, eraser and tire are the things that are made from rubber. Are the, you can write if you want, are the things that are made from rubber. We will repeat it. First question, name 2 natural things. The answer is plants and water are 2 natural things. Next one, what are man-made things? Name one. It is in page number 86. non-living things that are not found naturally but are made by men are called man-made things. For example, books. This will be your short answer number 2. Short answer number 2. Third, name any 3 things that are made from rubber. We have written balloon, eraser and tire are the things that are made from rubber. Fourth, name any 3 things that are made from plastic. Bag, bottle and comb. Bag, bottle and comb are things that are made from plastic. Now moving towards the long question answers. The first one is, what are natural things? What are 2 types of natural things? What are natural things? यानी प्राकृतिक चीज़ें क्या है? And what are 2 types of natural things? So this answer we will get in page number 86 at the beginning of the page. Things that are found in nature and not made by man are called natural things. This will be your long answer 1. And what are the 2 types? Natural living thing and natural non-living thing are the 2 types of natural things. Again repeating it. Things that are found in nature and not made by men are called natural things. Natural living things and natural non-living things are 2 types of natural things. This is your answer number 1. Now moving towards the answer number 2. Second one, what are materials? Name 3 common materials used to make things. Also give 2 examples of things made from each material. Answer of this question will be so long. I have divided into 2. The first one is write what are materials and name 3 common materials used to make things. And this will be your third question. Give 2 examples of things made from each material. If we will write it together, it will be so long. So I have divided into 2. Now we will find the second one. What are materials and name 3 common materials used to make things. This answer you will be getting in page number 89. That is your mind map. These are the substance from which a thing is made. These are the substance from which thing is made. This is the defined for material. Now we have to write 3 common materials used for making things. First we will write the wood, second rubber and 3 plastic. 1, 2 and 3. So third one, give 2 examples of things made from each material. So that too we will get from page number 89. We have to write 2 examples of each. You can write any one which you feel that is easy for you. First write wood, then write table, chair or table beds which you feel easy. But I will prefer tables and beds. From rubber I will prefer tires and balloons. From plastic I will prefer bags and bottles. And from metals, jewelry and parts of car. This is your answer number 3. Wood, tables and beds, rubber, tires and balloons, plastic, bags and bottles. metal, jewelry and parts of cars. So you have to write your short answer questions and long answer questions in your notebook with clean handwriting. Okay students, I will send the PDF of this. Don't worry about the answers if the handwriting is not more visible to you in this video. I will give the PDF to you all, so it will make you easier to write it in notebook. So see you in next video. Until then, stay safe and bye bye.